Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one's 10K white gold with the yellow border. It has the Starburst cuts. Check that out. Beautiful handmade grills, guys. Check this out. This is the back side. And you can see custom fitted here. It has a 10K stamp right in the back. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can get this in different combinations for different teeth positions. That's up to you. Check that out. Beautiful handmade work. Check us out, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping, you get a free mold kit. Thank you for watching, guys. And as always, y'all have a good one.